Metal fabrication shops, when they're looking to improve their process or if they're looking into automation, they have to account on what's the current type of machine tools or operations that they're doing today, what is going to need to be changed in their current operational process. A lot of the constraints and the considerations that get overlooked are the quality of the actual machine tools. And in machining space, there's a variety of different machine tools. There's mills, lathes, press brakes. You get into areas where you have injection molding machines. All of these kind of fit into the form of automation or automatable tasks in the space. Many times, the machine tool itself is more critical to the process than anything we can look at with automation.